Ka Seiñraij Jowai ka lapen longi ka jing rakhi kan mau Burom ha ka laipo tri uno pra arjar pusau ya ka jing dap shispa an rupu arsnam ka jing klat no ukyang nangba uklawat ka rilum jain tia uble khun da ka thma persa igi pareng ya ka ni ka jing rakhi kan mau Burom lapen long ha men koi perdi ukyang nangba ude ubla yap hau telai pasi gi pareng house nam khat praspa an rupu ar bat ka jing kran jung u chwa ban sha pasi balada ka clear jung u ka phai shami ngi ka ri kan lait loj hapo shispa snam balada ka phai sha sap ngi ka ri kan sa mrau junam la ong ba anda la da pasi ka clear jung u ka phai shami ngi bat house nam khat kan dai spa sau punyo ka ri india ka yo jing lait loj na gi pareng Akan nga lang kan mau Burom lawan banya don lang daw lat ka jela UCH Vijaya Shankar kubukong san haringkat ka jinga don lang MLA ka Jowai uba wailat miki shilla UDC but SP ka West Giant Hills District uba bias solia borba C30 President ka Seiñraij uba H-toy udoloy ka ilaka Jowai uba Puraman Kinjing lam kiway pan Seiñraij hakan nga sngi kala ai Burom ru ya uba Kambel shulai bam kwai hadwar blay ubala long kum unong syam nong lap ya ka knap thang bru eco friendly crematorium bar uba Roskil shalam bam kwai hadwar blay ubala yarap ya ki khon ka nyam tri ban siu bai nong shaki temmen thang brio hakapor baka seng ka dawa jingrap ha nang ta yo mai lalu bo deu brio ba pani inuksa ba bha ki benta ba pher ling ba ka sap bakar pang wat hapreng ka jingduna Dkhot man Baru long ru unong job haki babon ki judging yakop yakun kti ni arm wrestling what shabar jalla ru kumjo.
We do people that to particularly during this event. I think that this is the second public meet I am going to attend after I assumed charge as a donor of Meghalaya. Before I enter into a city, I have been noticing and observing the beauty of nature and beauty of this city, so clean, so neat. It shows your commitment towards cleanliness. It shows how importance you people given to maintain your own city in that way. This rebellion was not only about a political resistance, but also about protecting the sacred traditions, culture and moral values, which defines our identity. You cannot remember the ladies especially in the face of diversity or adversity is a timeless example of sacrifice and unity among us. His legacy continues to inspire us today to protect and preserve our culture and reminding us of the importance of standing firm when we face these challenges. I would also like to take a moment to praise Seiñraij Jowai, an outstanding cultural and also a religious organization that has been a guiding light for the Dkhot people. Through its activities, its commitment and concern in preserving sacred traditions of the community by organizing Burom Plum Festival and Chal Shukla Youth Festival, etc. Seiñraij Jowai has ensured that our cultural identity remains vibrant and strong. Their unwavering dedication to environmental sustainability, social welfare and protecting of sacred sites are commendable. And they continue to inspire the community in preserving our rich heritage. One thing I make it very clear here, that who do not know the history, they cannot create history. they cannot create a stream. That, I assure you, it is not going to be in Roskil, it is going to be in Roskil. The same moment, whatever you have been given in form of presentation, same thing we are going to hand over to the President of the nation. Not only we are going to hand over it, the history of this particular freedom fighter, that also we need to explain, and this also we are going to hand over to the President of the nation. And some of the announcement is supposed to be made here. I am not going to make it. Our Commissioner and Secretary to Roskil, he is going to announce those things. I am really grateful to you people for inviting me to come and participate in this, I think, unforgettable moment, unforgettable program. I am really grateful to all of you, and I wish you all the best. And whatever issue comes, either from this community, either from this side, whatever you people expect from the Roskil, for overall the development of this community, to move forward, all the times I assure you, the Roskil always is with you people. Not only I am going to announce, whenever time permits, whenever you people wish to come and meet me in Roskil, always the doors of Roskil open for you people. Anytime, you can come and meet me for the overall development of this community. Always we are with you. Again, I wish you all the best. Again, I thank you people for inviting me to here, particularly in this city.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha kajing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.